my 2014 Weldtec 170 Versatile, and I just had the Weldtec Design guys put on this lift kit for me, 3-inch lift kit.
Awesome. Why did you choose the Weldtec 170?
These are hard to come by vans, and I've been a Chevy Express van person for quite a while now. I have another one back home, and I've been searching for this particular model. I live now full-time on the road. This has got everything I needed for me. It's got the right package inside, it's the right size, and it's a spectacular color.
Why did you decide to get this stuff blacked out up here, or did it come like that?
Nope, I did all these blackout modifications myself. I wanted a little bit more of a stealthy look, plus it kind of updates the look of the van more 2000s.
Yeah, how does it feel to be a Weldtec owner?
You get a lot of high fives, you get a lot of waves, and you get a lot of people coming and asking about them, so they have quite the cult following.
Where do you like to go in your Weldtec?
Anywhere off the beaten path. Lots of mountains, lots of fire roads. That's why I came and got this lift kit, so I can get a little more clearance on these roads, and anywhere that I can find some adventure.
Nice. What do you do for work? Do you work remote?
Yep, I work remote. I'm actually a professional photographer.
Nice. Okay. What kind of photography do you do?
Mainly landscapes, and I do some AI and surreal images as well.
Nice. That's what's up. How did you find Weldtec Designs?
So Weldtec came up basically just through YouTube and searching through Chevy Express and Weldtec modifications. I saw a couple other guys get theirs done, and I kind of deliberated about it for a little while and finally just pulled the trigger and came down and saw you guys.
And how would you say your Weldtec experience has been so far?
Unreal. Just, you guys are the best. You guys are amazing. You know exactly what to do. I was updated everything along the way with this, and then it's just quick. It's nice, quick, and easy. Hey guys, this is Tyler with my 2014 Weldtec 170 Versatile lifted by Weldtec Designs.